Hey YouTube, it's your boy Nas aka Supreme, and I'm back with another YouTube video. If you're new, make sure you like and subscribe. If you're not new, well, welcome back. And as you guys can tell from the title of this video, this is my wash day routine, so it's going to be a little bit more mellow than my regular videos. So today I'll be using Shea Moisture's Jamaican Black Castor Oil line, the shampoo, the conditioner, the mask, and the leave-in as well. So after 2 weeks of having my hair straight, I'm ready to see my babies again, my lovely locks, my curls, my girls, mi amigas. So first I'm just going to start by saturating my hair with water. Y'all, I got a little scared because this was my first time having my hair straightened, so I thought my curls wasn't going to come back, y'all. I was so nervous when I felt that hair still on my shoulders after being under this water for so long. So now what I'm going to do is start by taking some of the Jamaican Black Castor Oil shampoo and just massaging that into my scalp. After doing that, I'm just going to go ahead and make sure the entirety of my hair is covered. And yeah. So I ended up shampooing my hair twice just because I wanted it to be extra clean. Now after that's done and everything's rinsed out, I'm just going to go ahead in with the conditioner from the line. Now you want to work this through the entirety of your hair as well. This is a great chance to go ahead and start detangling. I suggest you start by finger detangling and then working your way in with combs and brushes. As you see here, I am finger detangling my hair. Finger detangling adds a lot of benefits because you can actually feel the kinks and the knots in your hair instead of pulling them out with a comb. Now I'm just going to go in with my Denon brush and just get out the rest of the tangles and continue detangling. The Jamaican Black Castor Oil line from Shea Moisture is probably one of my favorites. I love the way it makes my hair feel. It leaves it soft, rejuvenated, all those good things. The only downside to this product, I think, is probably that it smells kind of like Play-Doh. Other than that, I love it. So this is my hair after being washed, conditioned, and detangled. Next up, we're just going to go in with the Jamaican Black Castor Oil's hair mask. So when I put this in, I put it in and then I twist my hair, put it in a plastic bag, and then under a towel and leave it in for about 30 minutes. As you guys can see, this leaves my hair looking very shiny, healthy, and moisturized. Now you're just going to want to rinse this out. Now, once you've rinsed that out, you're going to want to put the leave-in conditioner from the line as well and go ahead and retwist your hair just to prep it for the nighttime. So the last and final step I like to do is add 100% Jamaican black castor oil. This is also from Shea Moisture, and just apply this to my scalp at night just because castor oil has so many benefits. It helps for thicker hair, it promotes hair growth, so it's going to help your hair grow faster, and it just has a bunch of nutrients. I put this stuff in my hair every night, and it's great for hair massages and scalp massages. Once you're finished doing that for about 5 to 10 minutes, just go ahead and wipe the excess off in your hair, and then just put on your little silky, your bonnet, or whatever you have to protect your hair. And then that's it, you guys. Make sure you like and subscribe, and tell me guys what you want to see in the next video.